Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now in today's video I have the Ted Baker House of Blooms Advent Calendar. Now this was £45 and I did pick this up from Boots. Can I just say it is really heavy, like ridiculously heavy, which I mean is good. Potentially, we will find out. So it's this gorgeous floral print cover and it's just this pastel pink. It looks visually very pretty, very like sophisticated vibes. I like it. I mean, Ted Baker is generally gorgeous. Like I am a little bit obsessed with Ted Baker. I probably should say that at the start of the video. And then on the back, you probably can't see it because it kind of blends in with the pastel pink. There is white writing all over it, and basically it tells you all the products that is included in the calendar and also the ingredients as well. But I mean, I don't really want to look at that, so let's turn it back this way. So it's got a magnetic clip on the front, so, and then we open it up like a book. I don't understand how I'm supposed to show you this without getting out of the shot. So this is what it looks like inside. So again, continues with the floral print inside. I actually love this advent calendar, like the layout, and yeah, I'm really excited to get into this. I also know that some advent calendars go up to 25. This just goes up to 24. I mean, I feel like your advent calendar should go to 25. I know that on 25 you're supposed to get presents, but I still want to open my advent calendar on Christmas Day, so, but moving on. So let's get in with the unboxing. So let's find number one. So number one is up here. So this is what number one looks like. You've got like numbers and letter in a bit of a mix. Oh, this looks bougie. So this is what we get in number one. So this is a lip balm, and it's in this gorgeous, like almost rouge kind of shade. I mean guys, look how coordinated I am. Ted Baker blue. I mean, not quite, but my nails. This is beautiful. And I've got to say, I'm a big fan of lip balms. Like, I'm not really a lipstick kind of girl. I mean, as you can probably tell, I've got lip gloss on today. So yeah, this is really gorgeous. I also like how it's like, you get a lot of product in there. All about those full-size products. I am going to put these back in the box because I want to reopen them. Then number two is just at the number two is just at the bottom here, so I'm just going to open that up. So in number two we have the Floral Bliss Moisturising Sheet Mask. Now I love a good sheet mask, especially in winter time, because I feel like, again, that's when your skin's the most dehydrated. It needs a bit of revitalising, a bit of hydrating. My skin goes really dry in winter time, so I'm all about the sheet masks. And this is that it's delicately scented with juicy top notes of green apple and delicate water lily florals with a touch of sandalwood for a delicious finish. Then I'm going to go in with number three. So in number three you get this cute little mini nail file, and it's actually really sturdy, which I love, and the little Ted Baker logo here. Very cute. And number four, nice and easy, don't need to lift the calendar up too high. In number four, we actually have a product that I'm using like right now. So this is the Ted Baker Floral Bliss Spray. So this is the body spray. And generally, I'll use perfume during the day, but I also like to have just a bit of a body spray and then have a bit of a spritz, a bit of a freshen up. And I've been using this at the moment, and it is quite literally very floral. I would highly recommend. This is really gorgeous, and I love the size of it as well because it's just perfect for putting in your bag and carrying around with you. You know what I'm saying? Then we have number five at the top here. In number five we have a mini Ted Baker Opulent Crush shower gel or body wash. So this says it blends modern musky base notes and white patchouli with a dewy raspberry and pear for a celebration of sparkling citrus. That's really gorgeous actually. I don't think I've tried this one before. I'm all about the shower gels. There is actually a shower gel that I use every day that I'm sure is in this advent calendar, but I mean, I will let you know if I come to it. But I have a go-to. So I always get it from Boots. They do 3 for 2 quite a lot, so I kind of wait for it to come on offer because it is like about £8 a bottle. So, but it does last a while, so you know. Then we have number 6, which is just this one here. Guys, I think we've got a makeup product. Yes. So this is in number 6. So it's this gorgeous navy palette. Yes, it's an eyeshadow palette. Oh wow, guys, I'm gonna swatch these for you and show you the palette. Oh, I mean, I probably should have showed you the palette first, shouldn't I? So after I've destroyed it. So you get a cute little mirror in there, which, thank you very much, because I absolutely love having a mirror in a palette. I've mentioned this in a few videos now, but it's so true. And it is just a mini one, but it's cute. Didn't have to do it, so that's lovely. And then you get the 3 shades. I do apologise that I've now swatched them, but there's little Ted Baker bows in all of them, and these are the shades. Ignore my fingers because I've just swatched them. How gorgeous are they? So they're all shimmer shades, and yeah, beautiful. They're very neutral. I love the warm toned kind of shades. Beautiful. Then in number 7 we have this little cute roller scent. So this is the Floral Bliss Eau de Toilette, and yeah, so this is going to smell exactly like the body spray, I would imagine, but a roll on. Yeah, it does smell a little bit stronger. I don't know if I'm imagining that, I mean probably, but it does smell very, very good. And again, very compact. I like that. Where are you, number 8? It's down here. Oh, not 1, not 2, but 3. So you get 3 scrunchies in 8. These are actually beautiful. So these are gorgeous pastel colours. So you get this gorgeous pink, very Ted Bakery, you know what I'm saying? And then this gorgeous grey, and then this gorgeous actual Ted Baker print, which is literally looks like the advent calendar. That's so good. And if we're talking value for money, 3 scrunchies in 1. These are gorgeous, like silk material as well. I'm a fan. Although I don't know how they got these. There we go. Number 9 is a Peter. So then in number 9 you get this gorgeous body lotion, and this is Peony Spritz. Oh, this smells lovely. So this one says that it will leave skin feeling beautifully soft and smooth, indulgently blended with notes of pink pepper and floral peony for a sparkling fragrance. Ooh. I mean, what am I going to smell like at the end of this video? This literally smells like a fresh bouquet of flowers. I mean, thankfully it's not, because I get rather bad hay fever. Me and flowers do not go, by the way, like at all. I love them, they're so pretty, but I just can't have them in the house. They make us ill, like so ill. But I'll take a fragrance that smells like flowers. I hope I haven't missed any numbers, because that would be something that I would 100% do, by the way. Number 10 is down the bottom here, this one here. Ooh, in number 10 we get a makeup brush. I mean, this looks like something I would use for eyeshadow. It's got the little Ted Baker bow on there. I did actually get Ted Baker brushes last Christmas or Christmas before, and they are really good. I feel like they're the kind of brushes that you just want to sit on your makeup desk, just chill, because you don't want to use them because they look so pretty. And also I love the rose gold collection. Like, I love rose gold. I think it looks so pretty. Then we have number 11, which clearly you can't see right now. Oh my goodness, this one here. Maybe. Guys, this box is so heavy. I feel like I should have put it somewhere, but you know. In number 11 we have a cuticle oil. All about looking after my nails. Just make sure that if you are putting cuticle oil on, you are doing it after you've applied nail varnish, because, or just on a day that you're like not putting any nail varnish on, because otherwise the nail varnish will slide off, it will peel off, and we don't like that. Number 12 is just at the top here. Oh, we've got another sheet mask. So this is the Peony Spritz sheet mask, and it's delicately scented with notes of pink pepper and floral peony for a sparkling finish. Again, all about the sheet masks. 13 is just down here. Oh, in 13 there's some bubble bath, and this is the Opulent Crush one. I don't know why I have to smell everything, but I just like to. Opulent Crush smells like Opulent Crush. I love a good bubble bath though, and can I just say, like, I feel like so far this advent calendar is definitely all about like self-care. Like, there's a lot of sheet mask, bubble bath, shower gels, body wash. I mean, it is like a beauty kind of calendar, but yeah, there's a lot of self-care in it, which I absolutely love, especially at this time of the year. Sorry if I'm looking behind, by the way, because my cat, she's up to mischief, I think. Then let's go in with number 14, and in number 14 we get some eyebrow tweezers. I mean, not a lot we can say about this, but what I will say is you can never have too many of these, really, can you? Like, I feel like these are the things that always go missing as well. Then number 15 is just here. That would be so good if it could just stay there. Guys, I think I found a plan. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm sorry that it's covering living my best life pillow, but I mean, something's got to give, because my arms are gonna give soon. Now in number 15 we have some dry shampoo powder. I didn't even know how big I did dry shampoo. And this is the Floral Bliss one. It smells like Floral Bliss. Very floral. Oh, I need more coffee. Have you seen this mug, by the way? Like, it's a joke how big it is. Bigger, like legit, nearly bigger than my head. In number 16 we get a Floral Bliss moisturising eye mask. Again, I don't know about anyone else, but I've been getting really like dry patches around here. Like, my makeup's been kind of like chilling there, like literally clinging to the dry patch, which just is not ideal. But anyways, so I feel like having some under eye masks will really help. So thank you very much, Rebecca. It was a sign. Let's go with number 17. In 17 we have another body wash, and this is the Peony Spritz. Not a lot to say about that because I've already mentioned about the different body washes. We're up to 18. Oh, 18's a big one. Oh, this is cute. You guys are gonna like this. In 18 we have a little Ted Baker purse. How cute is this? So you've got the rose gold Ted Baker logo here. You've got this gorgeous floral print on the inside. I love this. Very pastel-y, I mean, apart from this colour here, but you know, we'll let that one go. And the gorgeous flower here. I feel like very compact, just very like, I'm just popping to the shops, I'll just pick this up and carry this with us. I actually love this. This is really cute. This is adding value to the calendar for sure. Then number 19 is down here. In number 19 we get an in-shower body lotion. I'm gonna be honest, I've never used an in-shower body lotion before, but this is the Opulent Crush one. This says it's enriched with sweet almond oil and it indulgently moisturizes wet skin. It says apply it in the shower, directly to wet skin, gently massage and leave on skin for 2 to 3 minutes and wash off with warm water. Okay, I will give that a go at some point. Here's 20. So we've got a Ted Baker hand cream, Floral Bliss. I mean, can't go wrong, especially at this time, if you know what I'm saying, because hand creams are just the one. I've been using a hand cream every day, like for the past maybe like 5 months, because I feel like your hands get so like literally dry with all the hand sanitizer that you use. So I feel like it's really important, more than ever, to use a hand cream. Then number 21. Oh, and we have some gorgeous rose gold eyelash curlers. And then in number 22 we have a body souffle. Again, Floral Bliss. I don't really want to take the lid off just yet, but I mean, it'll smell like Floral Bliss. 23. 23 is a big draw. Okay guys, you remember I said that I have my go-to shower gel. Guess what's in number 23? So this is actually a full-size product. So this is exactly the same shower gel that I use every day. To be honest, right, you're gonna love this. So this one is, I should show you. the Midnight Bloom, which actually kind of fits in with the advent calendar, doesn't it? House of Blooms. So it comes in this gorgeous packaging. I always think it looks so nice, like so pretty. So it says, put some sparkle into shower time. I mean, you can probably see where this is going because it's me. With Ted's Midnight Bloom Shimmer Body Wash, infused with notes of green tea, magnolia flowers, and winter flower and honeysuckle. Honestly, I've been obsessed with this for a long time now. So I literally used this morning. Not this one, obviously. This is what it looks like. Can you see the shimmer? It is beautiful. Like, and what I like about it is the shimmer doesn't like stick to your skin. I mean, what am I even saying, because I absolutely love glitter, but if you're not about that life, you know, like I say, it won't give you glitter everywhere. I am just going to check the pricing of it because I'm sure it is about £8, but I'm just going to make sure. This is actually £5. I'm sure it's been £8. I'm very confused right now. I mean, I'm not complaining at all because I need to go get myself the boots clearly. I always feel very, very refreshed and clean after I've used this, which I mean is always a good thing with the shower gel. But yeah, honestly, really gorgeous, and the scent. I mean, next time you're in Boots, have a little smell. It's unreal. You will not regret it. Then 24. Oh, 24, you get an eye mask, which is very cute. Again, obviously the same kind of pattern, and it's got Ted Baker written on here. It's this gorgeous silk material. I love that it's got like a lot of stretch in it, like for sure. That's really, like, it feels very comfortable. And that is the advent calendar done. So would I recommend it? Yes, definitely. I feel like there was a lot of different products in there. I mean, I know that they've got like the collections in there, so they've got the Floral Bliss, the Opulent Crush, the Peony. So I kind of understand that it can be a little bit repetitive, but I feel like if you haven't tried Ted Baker before, this is a perfect introduction to it, because there's that many different products like sheet masks, body washes, body lotions, souffles, hand lotions. Like, there's literally a bit of everything in there, like completely. So I feel like for £45, it is very good value. Obviously, you get the £5 shower gel in there, the full-size product, so that takes it kind of down 40. You get the purse in there, and then if you add up all the other bits, I feel like it is value for money. There's so many different beauty products in here, so I feel like I can't wait to do some hardcore self-care. I also love that they've put in a couple of makeup bits as well, so I can't wait to try them. So I hope you enjoyed me doing this advent calendar video. I had fun doing it, to be honest. Like, I love seeing all the new products in the calendars and kind of just unboxing it. If you did enjoy this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!